Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how we can use Python to solve system of nonlinear equations using Newton-Raphson method. So to understand this topic, I will take an example. We have two equations f and g, and we will try to find out where these curves cut each others. So basically we have to find this point and this point. F is a circle whose equation is x square plus y square minus 1 and g equal to y minus x square, that is parabola, and this is circle. So let's solve our equation. This is main formula that we will be using in Python. So xi plus 1, that is next iteration value, and this is previous iteration. So xi plus 1 and yi plus 1, this is matrix. This notation is matrix. To make matrix we will use numpy. This is a matrix xi plus 1 and yi plus 1, and this is another matrix, similar matrix like xi and yi minus j inverse dot product f of x and g of f of x comma y and g of x comma y. So what is j? J is this matrix dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou g by dou x, and dou g by dou y, equal to, in our case, dou f by dou x is equal to 2x, and dou f by dou y equal to 2y, and dou g by dou x equal to minus 2x, and dou g by dou y equal to 1. We will be taking this term as a, and this term as first term, and this whole term as second term. So a is this. A equal to first term, we will implement like this in Python. A equal to first term minus second term, where first term is this term and second term is this term. Okay. In Python, first of all, we will import our necessary library numpy, which will be used to make matrices, and matplotlib will be used to plot the graphs. And now let's define our functions. This is our first function f, that is circle y square plus x square minus 1, and g is parabola y minus x square. Now let's define Newton-Raphson function. N equal to 0 while n less than 0. J equal to, this is J matrix. We will use numpy dot matrix to make matrix 2x, 2y, minus 2x, and 1, which we have seen this in theoretical section. And J inverse, now we have to find inverse of J. J inverse equal to np dot lin alg dot inverse. In inv refers to inverse of J, and this is J inverse. Our first term equal to np dot matrix x and y, and second term equal to dot product of J inverse and this matrix which is made of f and g, and a equal to first term minus second term and x. Now we have to again feed x and y. What is x? A of 0. A0 means what? And y equal to float of a1 means y I plus 1, and this is x a plus 1, and we will continue iterating until n is 100. So let's run our code, and now we can find out our root 1 equal to, we have two roots. Root 1 equal to Newton-Raphson 0.5, 0.5, x is 0.5 and y is 0.5. Let's run this code and see. First root is this, and second root is this. This is our second root, and now we have to plot our function. we can plot circle equal to 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square and parabola equal to x square, and we can plot. And I have been using this to make our plot interactive. So let's run this code and see. Yes, this is our plot, this is our parabola, and this is circle, and this is our roots. So I hope you have understand now, and I will be giving this code in description box, and code and theory as well. Thank you.